Ta-da! Welcome, ladies and degenerates, to the world's first AI girl runway show, where every contestant was born inside a GPU and probably cries in pixels at night. We have 6, women generated by various Image-to-3D AIs. Let's see how much pain they bring. And of course, meet our judges. The demon, professional hater, and Geralt, who came here because, someone mentioned girls. Let the show begin.
I love girls.
Our reference was this picture, same for all contestants. Now, let's welcome our first brave soul created by Meshy.AI.
Oh, a girl, a real girl, a beauty!
Stop simping, Witcher. Let's roast. Texture. What is that? Her hair looks like someone smeared Vaseline on the screen and called it a day. 12 out of 20, and that's me being generous. Topology, surprisingly, not the worst. Not clean enough to eat off of, but I've seen worse in hell. 15 out of 20. Details, while her fingers, her feet, it looks like the model respawned after a mud wrestling boss fight. That is tragic. The 12 out of 20. Performance cost 14 MB with 418,000 triangles? Are you trying to break Unity? 10 out of 20. Symmetry. Oh, well, some parts are straight, some parts are, well, let's just say she was assembled under emotional stress. 15 out of 20.
That gives her a total score of 64 out of 100.
I'd still date her.
Of course you would. You'd date a broom if it had a pulse.
Only if it had good hair physics.
Next up, the girl forged in the mysterious realm of Trellis 3D. Oh no. What the hell? Why does she look like she's about to warn us about a cursed forest?
She's unique.
Unique, she's so low poly my eyes can count her vertices.
Not what I'd usually go for, but still attractive.
Texture. Cleaner than the previous zombie, I suppose. At least this one doesn't look like it was dipped in mud. I'll give it a generous 15 out of 20. Topology, surprisingly clean, mostly because there isn't much of it. Low poly but tidy. 18 out of 20. Details. Look, she doesn't even have pores, but for low poly, she's doing her best. I suppose I'll give her a 15 out of 20. Performance cost 1 MB with 10K triangles. 1 MB. You could run her on a potato. 20 out of 20.
1 MB? She probably runs at 300 FPS.
Symmetry. Something's off. The left side looks like she's smiling. The right side looks like she's planning a murder. 15 out of 20.
Her final score is 83. And our next beautiful contestant has been cooked glowfully by Rodin.AI.
She looks promising. I swear I could marry her right now. Finally someone who won't leave me for a bard.
Calm down, horse lover. Let's judge her properly. Texture first. Good overall. But the face. You know when someone tries makeup for the first time with YouTube tutorials from 2008? Yeah, her 17 out of 20.
Oh, and here's the kicker. She comes with different texture variations, like DLC skins, but free.
Nice. Still not changing my score. Next, Topology. Very clean, very smooth, like she actually went to skincare school. Details are solid, but could be juicier. 18 out of 20. Almost perfect, for a mortal, that is.
She doesn't need more details. She's perfect. I'm already imagining the wedding.
Performance cost. 40 MB, 500K triangles? Are you out of your damn mind?
Yes, but she has LOD.
Excellent. I can have multiple versions of the same girl. Blonde version, potato version, Ultra HD wedding version.
Still, 500K, that's not a model, that's a GPU assassination attempt. Unless you drop her into Blender and violently decimate her. 10 out of 20.
Symmetry?
Surprisingly great, like she actually stood straight in the character creator instead of slouching like the others. I have to admit, I wasn't hoping for much, but this actually exceeded my expectations. 19 out of 20.
So, her score is 84! So far, the best girl in our cursed pageant. And our next girl has been forged in the mighty fires of Copilot Microsoft. So prepare yourselves, folks, for whatever Windows update decided to generate today.
Ugh. Another low-poly queen with texturing done by someone using Microsoft Paint at 3 a.m. A 10 out of 20.
She does look like she was rendered on a calculator, but I like her.
Topology, though? Surprisingly clean. Like, cleaner than Joker's search history. 18 out of 20. Details? Not bad, she tried. But 16 out of 20. Performance cost? 1 MB. 6K tries, now that's juicy. A 20 out of 20. Symmetry next. Oh no. She looks like her face tried to load and crashed halfway. Or 17 out of 20.
And with that, her total score is 81. Not bad for a girl who looks like she escaped Minecraft with a passport. All right, next contestant on our AI Girls Who Need Therapy runway. This one was crafted by Krea.ai.
What the hell happened to her texture? She looks like she fell face first into a JPEG 8 out of 20, and that's me being nice.
Yikes, but still cute. I've dated worse.
Maybe her artist used the low effort mode. More like no effort mode. Ha!
Topology cleanness? Fine. But only because there's nothing to ruin. 12 out of 20. Details? Well, she has shapes. 15 out of 20. Just the bare minimum for basic human features. I guess I should be thankful she's not an amorphous blob. 4 MB, 40K trace. Too many polygons, something that looks like it was textured by a blind goblin. The 18 out of 20. Symmetry! Oh hell, why the face like that? She looks like someone mirrored half her expression mid-sneeze. 10 out of 20. I've seen more consistency in the fabric of reality than in this asymmetrical abomination.
And that puts her final score at 63, the lowest so far. Geralt, any thoughts?
Did Krea hate her? Or hate us? I think both is a fair assumption.
And our last girl on the catwalk is made by Image-to-3D.ai.
Oh, she is my soulmate. She is my half, my other half, mine.
How many halves do you have? That's not how math works, Witcher. Texture is good, but her eyes look like she saw God and regretted it. 18 out of 20. Topology cleanness, 18 out of 20. Details. Her fingers and toes are so clean they look freshly polished. And that tongue? Yeah, she knows exactly what she's doing. 20 out of 20. Performance cost 77 MB, 600K triangles?
She was decimated to 1/3 already, and she's still that heavy.
Worth every frame drop.
What are you planning? To burn the PC? Summon a GPU demon? 5 out of 20. You might as well start praying for a miracle to run this without your system imploding. Or exploding. Whichever comes first. Symmetry, 20 out of 20. At least something is stable here.
And that brings her final score to 51. And ladies, gentlemen, and whatever Geralt is, it is time for the final results of our AI Girl Runway Catastrophe Show.
I'm ready. My heart is ready. My pants are definitely ready.
No one asked.
After reviewing textures that looked cursed, fingers that looked melted, polygons that tried to murder GPUs, and tongues that deserved their own OnlyFans, our scores are in. The winner, with a glorious, magnificent 24 points, Rodin.AI, our ultimate grand champion of this hellish night.
I knew it. She's the one I want to elope with.
You've said that about literally all of them. Congratulations, Rodin Girl. You are officially the only one here I wouldn't delete on sight.